Yo, what is up, YouTube? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today I'm gonna be unboxing my Revenge hoodie that I copped from the recent Juice WRLD / Revenge collab that was done for his album Legends Never Die. Now the hoodies themselves were manufactured in Revenge, but the shipping is handled through 999 Club, and I know that they've been trying to get things together and they haven't been the quickest or the best on shipping, but they're trying. And everybody has to understand that we are still in a pandemic and everything's gonna be slow and everything's gonna be behind, so you can't fault them too much. And they've been hit with so many orders, and these are like pre-orders, so they're probably still manufacturing some of these items. I know that a lot of my single items from 999 Club have been just pretty much already like shipped out and everything. I've received them and everything, but with the multiple items that I've ordered, like in like the first drop from the VLON drop, I ordered a couple pieces and it took a while for those to get here due to the fact that it wasn't a single item order, so they were doing a lot of single item orders. Now they're finally getting to the group orders, so I think they're pretty much about to be finishing up shipping. Hopefully everyone's getting their stuff. But yeah, all the Revenge stuff was done directly through Revenge, the printing and the blanks, and a lot of people have had, you know, a lot of criticisms on like the hoodies and everything like that, and just different things, like they left like some prints out on some of the shirts and just weird stuff. But yeah, the drop for the Revenge / Juice WRLD merch, it was at a weird time of like 3 AM or something like that. I was asleep. I knew that it was gonna happen. I didn't know what time it was gonna happen. It randomly dropped. I missed out, of course. So they had like a restock on a lot of the popular items, and this was the restock on one of the items, so I was happy that I was able to get the chance to at least get one piece from the Revenge side of things for the most part. And for the VLON stuff, I pretty much got everything that I wanted. I didn't miss out on anything. But let's get into the hoodie. Now they chose to use this different type of font on the sleeve, which it doesn't bother me as much. You know, I've seen a lot of people have better looking sleeve text, but due to the fact that these are gonna be like manufactured in like mass amounts, it's not gonna always be like the best looking one. You're not always gonna get the greatest looking one, and I've noticed that. But I want to say that the quality overall reminds me of just normal Revenge. It has all the normal Revenge tags and everything. It compares to the same exact blanks as the other drops that I've copped from Revenge. That's the Playboy and the stuff from July, as far as like the Heavens and the Bones hoodies and stuff like that. So I would say it's pretty much just classic Revenge blanks. And they have your classic Revenge tagging in here. The prints itself are pretty well done. I really appreciate the design. I know a lot of people were like, oh, this is kind of like biting off of X's Revenge collab, but in that same, you know, that same realm, because it's the outline of the two artists, and they both have dreadlocks that happen to be of around the same length, you know, as far as like their hairstyles. But I really don't see a problem with it. I thought the back graphic was cool. If anything, I wish it was a bit smaller, so Revenge wasn't sitting like so low on the hoodie. It was a little bit higher, but that's the only thing. And yeah, I know that there has been like at least a couple of instances where I've seen like people getting just like messed up orders or just like terrible quality orders. That hasn't happened to me yet, and I'm just gonna knock on wood And I want to say that I haven't had any really bad experiences with 999 Club, and I've just been pretty much satisfied with the hoodie. It's a pretty dope hoodie. I wear it often, and I would say it's definitely worth the money, you know. Now, I'm not sure how much these are going for like resale, but I know they're pretty low on resale, just due to the fact that there's like so many of them made. And it's like, if you're buying this stuff to like resell it, you're not really gonna make that much money back, just due to the fact that it's artist merch. And a lot of the times with artist merch, it's pre-orders and it's mass produced, and a lot of people have a lot of chances to get these items. So with that being said, I want to say, you know, thank you for watching the other videos. I'm going to be reviewing all my Juice WRLD V-Long pieces, and I got a Pop Smoke video coming up, which should be interesting. And I have just a bunch of FTP stuff I have to review. I won the raffle on the Off-White Dunks, so I'm going to be dropping that video soon once they come in. And I want to say just thank you for checking out the channel. Subscribe, like, drop a comment if you have any questions or anything like that, and I'll be sure I can try to help you as best as I can. And I want to say thanks again. I appreciate all your feedback.